Welcome to all of you. Years ago here, to this place where my father was interned for many years. I think from 1956 or something like that. And I came in '84 with the Chief Minister of that time, Ramachandranji, and Mother Teresa. And then his house was, dedicated to my father, as you see the boards here. I just wanted to come and see it again. And that time there was hardly any time because it was all rush. So, and with such a big chief minister who was so popular, very difficult. So I wanted to come back and see it again.
How you feel about it?
You see, nobody can, I'm not God, nor am I such a person who can predict what will happen. But if the opposition unites and they fight a united election, there will be change in India. But that depends on whether the opposition really unites. It is up to the opposition to unite.
Okay. What about the Rahul Yatra, sir? How you feel about it?
I think it's doing very well. I was yesterday in the Yatra and it's doing very, very well. Young people are joining and I was very thrilled when I saw the young people with him. And it's basically to save this nation from, because we are diverse. And it's diversity. Now imagine, I can't speak Tamil. You cannot speak Kashmiri. Yes. My food is different, your food is different. Yes. Your culture is different, my culture is different. Yet we are united. And this is this unity that we have to protect. And India is for all. Everyone who lives in India, whether he is in north, east, south, west, we all belong to India. And therefore in India, to have one color and to have one religion only, that will not do.
It's not
or
possible.
One language. How will you accept that? It's a diverse nation. Assam is different, Bengal is different, Orissa is different, Andhra is different. Even Kerala,
yes,
they speak Malayalam. Yes. So what is wrong about it? It's a good thing.